Welcome to Learnera Academy. This is Suja Alex, Assistant Professor from St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagarkoil. This is the second lecture in the series of software engineering. This session, we are going to learn what is software, attributes of good software, and types of software. A software is described by its capabilities. The capabilities relate to the functions it executes, the features it provides, and the facilities it offers. So, what is software? Software is a set of instructions to acquire inputs and to manipulate them to produce the desired output in terms of functions and performance as described by the user of the software. Next, we can see the characteristics of software. Software is engineered or developed for a purpose. Software does not wear out after a period of time. And most software is custom built rather than being assembled from existing components. A software is classified into two classes: generic software and customized software. Generic software is designed for broad customer market whose requirements are very common, stable, and well understood by the software engineer. The customized software is developed for a customer domain, that is, it is unique to the customer. Next, how to decide a software is good software or bad software. Software has number of attributes which decide whether it's a good or bad. The definition of a good software changes with the person who evaluates it. That is, each one will evaluate the different attributes differently in order to decide whether the software is good or bad. The software should deliver the required functionality and performance to the user, and it should hold the attributes of good software. A software must evolve to meet changing needs called maintainability. A software must be trustworthy called dependability. A software should not make wasteful use of system resources called efficiency. And a software must be usable by the users called usability. With that, let's talk about types of software. First type of software is system software. It's a collection of programs written to service other programs at system level. Examples are compiler and operating systems. Next type of software is real-time software. Real-time software is a program that monitor or analyze or control the real world events as they occur. The next one is business software. It's a program that access, analyze, and process business information. Next one is engineering and scientific software. It's a software that uses number of crunching algorithms for different science and applications. Next type of software is embedded software. This software resides in read-only memory and it is used to control products and systems for the consumer and industrial markets. The next one is artificial intelligence software. It's a program that uses artificial intelligence techniques and methods to solve complex problems such as pattern recognition and games. The last one is internet software. It's a program that supports internet access and applications. Examples are search engines, browser, and e-commerce tools. With that, I conclude my session. Thank you.